How to change display name in TikTok. TikTok also lets you make change to the display name. This is the name that your followers will see on your profile. Here's how to change the name on TikTok. First step is launch TikTok app on your mobile device. Then tap on profile in the bottom bar. Then tap on edit profile and then select name is the first option. Change your TikTok display name. Make change to your name and hit the save. Now your display name is changed. You can say this Howto and DIY. How to change username in TikTok. When you first sign up with TikTok, you also provide with a very generic username, and it's important that you change it immediately. First step is launch your TikTok app on your mobile device. Then tap on profile located at the bottom right in the app. Then select the edit profile option is here. Then tap on username is the second option. Enter your new username, remove first. If your new username is not available, then TikTok will let you know when you are typing the new username. It will also provide alternative username related to ones you want. Hit the save once you have made the change. Your new profile link will also be shown below. There are several other things you need to be aware of before you change your username. First, your username can only be changed once every 30 days. So make sure it's once you can live with at least for the period. If you want to change the TikTok language from English to any other available on the platform, it's only take a few steps. First step is open TikTok app on your mobile device. Go to your profile page, tap on profile is the bottom right. Then tap on the horizontal three lines at the screen upper right corner. Scroll down, from there tap on language. From there tap on app language. Tap on the language from the list. And then tap done. Downloading this language, the language of the app will automatically change. If you want to revert to English, it's best to remember all the steps you made to visually and see how long it will take you to do it.
There is also a problem with this video, so ask about these comments. Any problem related to social media and internet, let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications. Thanks for watching.